Why have Master T host your next event?
We are here at the 74 London Reggae Fest. You know what? This is the very first reggae festival right here for the London Reggae Festival. Put some noise, round of applause for that. That's big time.
Master T, a legend and a legacy within Canadian culture, and a true pioneer in introducing reggae music from Canada to the world. With years of experience hosting MuchMusic's iconic shows, DanceMix and Rap City, just to name a few, Master T knows how to read the crowd and deliver the energy that keeps the party alive.
Thank you, Margaret. Thanks for coming out. All right, thank you. Beautiful Margaret. Make some noise for Margaret. What's up, boss? How are you? Good? How you doing? Let me see this. What's your name?
From his warm personality to his radiant smile, he makes every guest feel welcomed and appreciated. Taking pictures, socializing, and engaging the audience with his signature charm. Book Master T for your next event and experience the difference a true cultural icon brings to the stage.
I judge a fight my buckle.